Well, 68 years after independence, children as young as 5 years old are still being mortgaged by their parents for a few thousand rupees. Now, families are never able to come out of this vicious cycle and generations are forced into bonded labor. While the administration, of course, in Harda district denies it, NDTV's Siddharth Ranjan Das exclusively exposes how bonded labor is a reality even today.
55-year-old Bhagirath breaks down, recalling why he mortgaged his son Santram 5 years ago. It was supposed to be till he paid back 5,000 rupees and 6 quintals of wheat to Kanhaiya Lal Bhandari in Jhadbeda village. But Santram, now 14, still toils for 12 hours a day.
घटा बढ़ा कर दिया, छूट रहा कि मैंने क्या छूटूंगा अब मैं काम तो करना पड़ेगा बुढ़ापा तक जब तक बनेगा जब तक.
His employer, Kanhaiya Lal Bhandari, is startled to see us on his doorstep.
कल ही मैंने उसकी भैया कहीं मेरे को कभी बुरा का तू मेरे ला देना और तू कहीं लगता लगा मेरे को 8 बोरा किसी भी नहीं जाता 5-7 आ गया पहले से एडवांस थे उसके ऊपर.
Harda has a significant population of the Korku and Gond tribes, among whom mortgaging is reportedly common. We find evidence in the form of 3 more children under 10 years old. Activists at NGO Synergy Sansthan have been working for child rights in Harda for 9 years. They say 8 to 9 children have been mortgaged in every village of Harda. The administration denies the claim.
देखिए सर्वे हमने नहीं कराया था, एक एनजीओ ने किया था. उसमें उनका क्लेम है कि कुछ हरदा में ये अपने बंधुआ मजदूर मिले हैं. ये सही है कि वहाँ पे कुछ मजदूर मिले, उनको कम पेमेंट हो रहा था. उनके हमने बाकायदा केस भी बनवाए हैं और कोर्ट में वो चल रहे हैं आज की डेट में.
पर बंधुआ मजदूर नहीं निकले? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
सरकार को सबसे पहले तो मानना चाहिए कि बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं, चाइल्ड बॉन्डेड लेबर हैं, उसको माने और फिर बच्चों का पुनर्वास करे. अभी तो सरकार माने नहीं रही कि ये एक समस्या है. सरकार के लिए कलंक है कि उनका पुनर्वास नहीं कर रही है.
The Harda administration claims that there are no bonded laborers working in the district, but as you can see here, that certainly is not true. It's an open secret here that children are mortgaged and made to work as bonded laborers for almost their entire life. The state administration as well as the district administration are not willing to accept this problem, and unless they chalk out a rehabilitation plan, children like these who spend their entire life working as bonded laborers will not have a better future. In Harda with Abdul Samad and camera person Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.